Hey, welcome to this video. So this video right here is going to walk you through on how to install SQL Workbench on a Windows machine. So I'm logged into my VMware here. So I'm going to come out here to Google and just query or search up MySQL Workbench. It's important to know what machine type that you're using. So if you go to click on the start and find your computer, so you could just do like my computer. It used to be, now it's called this PC. Right click on it, choose properties. It'll tell you, so we're using 2016 data center, but typically most people are using 2010. I'll show that the system type, so we're using 64-bit, so that'll be helpful for us decide what we're using here. So I'll go to MySQL Workbench. Actually, I could just go backwards. I seen a link there, download MySQL Workbench right here. All right, so you have your options here, generally available. See, these are my community. I don't want my community. I don't know if that's what I want. So let's go back here real quick. MySQL Workbench. All right, so I want MySQL Workbench, this one right here. Enhanced Data Division, download now. I guess it takes you back here. Interesting. All right, so you could choose this one right here, which is the 64-bit. And then there's this one here, the recommended download. This one right here. So I'm going to go to download page. And I am going to choose, very interesting. See, I don't want 32-bit. So let me go back. Not sure what's happening here. Interesting. It says 34-bit. Let me go back to download page. Maybe I was right. So I'm gonna download this one right here. No thanks. And we'll let it download, and then we'll be able to kick her in gear. All right, looks like she's downloaded it. So let's double click on her. Preparing to install. I haven't downloaded this on Windows in like forever, so I'm so used to doing it on Mac. It just does it straight up, but let's see. .4, so that doesn't seem right. All right, let's just go with it. Development installs products needed for MySQL. So that's what we want, is development. So I'm gonna hit next. Sure, hit next. You have to. Sure. Execute. I'm not sure if this is right, to be honest with you, because this is different. Than what I'm used to seeing. Sure. Connect to server. No, I don't want to do that yet. I don't think this is right. Yeah, I could tell you it's not right because that is not what I wanted to download. All right. Let me see if I have it out here. it.pointpark.edu/tutorials. I'm not sure if I have a link out here. Workbench. Yep, right there. All right, we just talked about it. All right, so MySQL Workbench client for Windows. Shouldn't be this difficult to download, just an FYI. They're making it difficult. That's why I don't like Windows at all. See, we just downloaded this. This is not right. Maybe I had to choose client or that option and instead of choosing what I chose. Let's try this real quick and see if it makes a difference. Because I'm telling you, this is not that difficult, but apparently it is difficult for Windows. MySQL requires, okay, this is definitely the right one. Visual C++ 2019 to be installed. Click the download button on the next page to open the web. All right, this is the one we want to install. It's the 8.0 CE Setup Wizard. Download prerequisites. How do you want to open this? Chrome. All right, now that's stupid. That brings me back to here. All right, I remember. Oh my God, it's been so long since I did this. I do remember this now. Let's see if I get that again. Let me Google it. MySQL Workbench 8.0 CE setup. Yeah, it came up. See if we can find out where to download, because that doesn't make sense. See, I'm telling you, Apple does not do this. Trying to find this C++ thing to download. All right, so let's hit finish. I'm gonna try to download that again and see what it needs, because that's the one that we're supposed to download, just to let you know. The other one, no. Which one happened after it? All right, there we go. Google it. Workbench requires the Visual C++ 2019. Let's see. All right, now show me something else. I'm gonna pause this video until I figure out the answer here. 1 second. All right, looks like I found it here. I found this file out here on nearfile.com developer. I'll send it to you because you'll need to download this. Because you have some have a 32-bit, some have a 64-bit. I'll hit install. I said it was closed, so I'll copy that. This sent over. You can try to go to URL if you want, but in the meantime, I have that copy. So now I'm gonna hit finish, and since I installed it, I'm gonna try this again. Go back out here, next, yep, install, see if it works. Fingers crossed. Taking a second or two. Oh, it finished. Guess what? Guess what? All right, let's see if it worked. Workbench. Ah, there it is. That's what we need. It worked. It worked. It worked. Sweet. You know what? I'm gonna give you the download the 32-bit. I'm gonna make your life so easy. All right, cool. All right, cool. So this ends the video. This shows you how to, if you're using a Windows machine, it shows you how to do it. If you're in my class, I'll make this available to you on our Schoology. Thanks for watching. Have an awesome day. Bye for now.